Good morning, students. So today we have to see about the video. In the video about the Bengal partition. So the partition of Bengal, which happened in the year 1905. So we going to discuss about all the things headed by Ritesh.
Good morning everyone, I am Ritesh. Today I am going to explain about how Bengal was partitioned. So, Bengal was partitioned by Lord Curzon on the 16th of October 1905. So, the partition was done because Bengal was too big to be governed. It was divided on the basis of the religion of the people. For example, it was divided into Hindu and Muslim. It was done to make the Hindus and Muslims fight against each other. It affected the whole of India, whole India, and it was regarded as an insult to nationality. There was protest. The people of INC also protested this. So in the people of INC there were two people, the moderates and the extremists. The moderates protested against this, and they launched the movement of anti-Bengal partition. Swadeshi and Swaraj became the slogan of these people, and revolutionary leaders took over the government. So now I am going to explain about the developments that happened when Bengal was partitioned. People implemented Swadeshi. They also implement self-government, which means no rajas and all. The people itself govern the place. In 1915 to 1916, Home Rule League was started under Annie Beston and Tilak. So this point states that Home Rule League, a movement called Home Rule League, was started by a British woman named Annie Beston and an Indian man Tilak. So, and demand for self-government for India after the war was kept. So people demanded self-government for India after the war. It had an impact on the Congress in the Lucknow session of 1960. So this partition had an impact on the Congress that was held in Lucknow. So this also helped the reunion of the moderates and extremists, reunion between the Congress and the Muslim League, and to keep the demand of common elections in front of the government. This helped the reunion between the Congress and the Muslim League, and it kept the demand of common elections in front of the government. So the common elections was held in front of the government. However, left the way open in future for communal politics. But there was one disadvantage that was it left a place for communal politics. Thank you.
So there is one important and great drawback in the case of Bengal partition. So see, the Bengal is partitioned by Lord Curzon on 16th October 1905. Okay, 1905, 16th October, Lord Bengal Curzon divided the place called Bengal. Okay, in different parts. Okay, so a division on the basis of Hindus and Muslims. So there is one division in the case of Bengal on the basis of religious factor. Okay, so that religion is connected with the two important religion called the Hindus and the Muslims. So to divide the Hindu politicians of West and East Bengal and increase Hindu-Muslim tensions. So according to that, as the part of that Bengal partition, there are some important debates which happened between the important religious leaders called Hindu leaders and the Islamic leaders. Okay, Islamic leaders. So next thing, the Bengal partition has affected all of India, regarded as an insult and a challenge to nationalism. Okay, so the Bengal partition is the important challenge to the nationalism. Okay, it is an important challenge to the nationalism. The national leaders felt that it was an important challenge in the case of Indian nationalism.